Hey beauty, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ash. If you're new here, I hope you decide to subscribe down below for more videos. If you're not new here, thanks for coming back for another video. So today's video is actually really special to me. I actually received makeup from a company called BETTZA Beauty. They are Black owned and they are new, they're up and coming, and I'm really excited because their products are really focused on oil control. So for me, I have super oily skin, okay? So trying to find some products that are gonna control the oil and keep you matte for a longer time is definitely like the ideal makeup product. So in today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the products that I received from them. I'm gonna let you guys know, the process as far as ordering them, because I did get a free product as well with my purchase. Yeah, so in this video, I'm gonna kind of just try on the makeup for you. I'm gonna show you guys and tell you guys exactly what I think. I've never tried these products before. I'm gonna open them with you right now on camera so you guys can see how they come in the mail, you guys can see what I got, everything. So if you do want to see how these products work on oily skin and just in general, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright you guys, so in the mail, I'm gonna cover up my address, but you get your little box. Opening the box, this is what you see. So I'm gonna just take the products out. The products that I picked out were, there is an oil control setting spray, there is a sensation primer, and there's also a studio blend cover foundation SPF 15. This is my favorite part. I love unboxing stuff. Ooh, I wonder if that's gonna be too light. I might have to mix this foundation, so this kind of looks a little too light for me. Starting off, now whenever I do my face, I like to put the moisture in first before I start putting all my powders and stuff, so that way I don't dry out my skin. So what I like about setting sprays is you can also use them first. So this says oil control setting spray, so I'm gonna spray this on my face first. That smells good. Oh, that's so refreshing. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with the primer. Sensation Primer minimizes pore size and softens the appearance of imperfections to prep your skin for makeup application. When applied before your foundation, it creates a matte and even canvas to help you look flawless longer. This skin smoothing gel can also be worn alone to help even out skin texture and minimize shine on the face. All things that I absolutely love. I'm going to just put a little bit on the back of my hand and then just apply that to my face. So what I am noticing is this does instantly mattify my skin, which is beautiful. I love that. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna do my forehead. So it's super silky on the skin. It feels really good. It doesn't feel heavy. I love this. Okay, and then I'm gonna bring it down my neck. I love that. So far, that's wonderful. Okay, so now, what I normally do at this point in my foundation routine is I'm going to color correct. So you can skip this part if you like, but I have some dark circles under my eyes and a little darkness around, my nose and my mouth right here, and I like to color correct that before I put my foundation on. So I'm going to do that and be right back. So I was saying that the shade that I picked out was a little lighter than I expected, so I'm going to mix it with just a little bit of my NARS foundation. I'm going to buff that into my face. So this is like a light to medium coverage foundation. So this is buildable. The formula is super creamy, so I do love it. I love how it's making my skin look. Now, I'm gonna go in with my concealer and do the rest of my makeup as normal. Alright, and I'm gonna set my under eyes with banana powder. I'm gonna set my foundation and everything with this Wet n Wild loose setting powder in Deep. Alright, so now we're going to finish off with the oil control setting spray. Alright, so let me just put my lashes on and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I have my lashes on and everything, we're going to finish off this look with some lips. I was saying earlier that the way I heard about this company was through Geek Street Society. Or when I heard about them, they said that when you make your purchase, you're sitting at checkout right before you finish your order, they have a little comment box. If you type in Geek Street Society in that comment box, you'll get a free lip gloss with your purchase. So that's what I did. And here in this little thank you bag, you can get all of these products on BETTZABEAUTY.com. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below so that way you guys can go ahead and take care of that. Also, like I said, make sure you enter Geek Street Society at checkout so you get a free lip gloss. And it looks like this one. This lip gloss. Does it have a color? It says LG2. LG2. I can't wait to see what color this is. I didn't get to choose the gloss. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Do you see this color? Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Ooh, okay, yeah, this is LG2. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna take a brown lip liner. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Alright, you guys, so, I freaking love this lip gloss color. This lip gloss color is life. I love it. Alright, you guys, so thank you so much for tuning in for this review. I do adore these products. My skin is still super matte. It feels lightweight. It's not creasing. It is just amazing. If you guys do want to purchase any of their products or do want to look at their website, see what they have, and if you want to try it, I'm going to go ahead and link it down below in the description box. So go ahead and check them out right now. And don't forget to enter Geek Street Society at checkout so that way you guys can get a free lip gloss with your order, okay? So thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and give this video a like and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.